two separate encounters in Chhattisgarh's Bijapur region on Thursday. Security forces gunned down 30 Maoists. One district reserve guard Jawan was also martyred in the encounter. Meanwhile, hailing security forces for their success, Union Home Minister Amit Shah reiterated the government's zero-tolerance policy towards Maoism. Take a look.
In a massive crackdown on Red Terror, security forces killed 30 Maoists in an encounter in Chhattisgarh's Bijapur on Thursday. The largest anti-Red Terror operations were conducted in the Bijapur-Dantewada area. One police personnel of the Bijapur District Reserve Guard laid down his life during the encounter.
आज प्रातः 7 बजे से लेकर अनेक बार सुरक्षा बल या माओवादियों के बीच में मुठभेड़ हुई। मुठभेड़ के उपरांत इलाका के सर्चिंग में अब तक कुल 26 माओवादियों का डेड बॉडी रिकवर की गए थे। घटनास्थल से काफी बड़ी संख्या में AK-47, SLR, इंसास एवं अन्य ग्रेडेड वेपन्स भी बरामद किए गए थे। इस मुठभेड़ के दौरान DRG बीजापुर के एक जवान माओवादियों से बहादुरी से लड़ते हुए वीरगति प्राप्त कर लिया। उनके पार्थिव शरीर को जिला मुख्यालय लेकर आ रहा है।
Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the BJP government, under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is moving forward with a ruthless approach against Maoists. He reaffirmed the government's zero-tolerance policy toward Maoism. Shah issued a stern warning against extremism in any part of the country, urging them to surrender or face the government's uncompromising security action. Chhattisgarh Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Sharma hailed the success of the security forces.
बीजापुर में गंगालूर क्षेत्र में जो आज सुबह से ही ऑपरेशन जारी था, गोलीबारी जारी थी, उसके बाद 26 नक्सलियों के मारे जाने की पुख्ता सूचना है। 26 नक्सली वहाँ मारे गए हैं और कांकेर नारायणपुर एरिया में, उस बॉर्डर एरियाज़ में 4 नक्सली और मारे गए हैं। इसलिए आज का दिन बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। आज 30 नक्सली आज ढेर हुए हैं और बड़ी सफलता जवानों को मिली है। मैं हृदय से शुभकामना देता हूं।
This operation comes as part of the government's commitment to eradicating Maoism in Chhattisgarh by 31st March 2026.
Well, that's what's happening in Chhattisgarh, Shivangi, but let's also tell our viewers about what's happening across the nation, from traffic being resumed at Shambhu border to the honey trap controversy in Karnataka. Here are the top stories from across the nation. Yes,
Deepak, let's get started with the first story that we're tracking right now from across the nation. A traffic movement has resumed on the Shambhu-Ambala highway after more than a year, while the Kanori border point is set to reopen, with Haryana police removing roadblocks on the reopening of border. As follows Punjab Police's action a day earlier, detaining protesting farmers and dismantling their temporary structures. In a statement from Delhi, the Aam Aadmi Party reiterated its support for farmers but stressed the need to reopen key roads to safeguard Punjab's economy.